What's up everybody, this is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13, and today I've got Daniel's 2016 Cadillac ATS-V headlights into the shop. At the root of the job, this was basically an outer shell replacement. The original shells are over here, and I'm pretty sure you can tell that they were in absolute terrible condition, really foggy, yellow and hazed and chipped up. Somebody had previously opened them up and spray painted all of the internals this like spray paint gloss black. I think it looks pretty terrible, but at the end of the day, as long as you don't have standards, it actually looks nice because they are blacked out. But unfortunately, what that meant was that some amateur took these things apart and absolutely obliterated and destroyed the channel surrounding the housing. They sealed it with some like weird roofing tar or like residential butyl. I'm not really sure what that nonsense was, but it was an absolute pain to remove. So I spent a lot of time removing all that old sealant and doing the best I could to melt and reform this channel around the outside. It isn't perfect, but it was absolutely obliterated before, so it is in significantly better condition, but that took a lot of work and time. So it was a little bit cheaper than opening them brand new, but not by a lot. Since I had them apart though, he also opted to replace the OEM DRL with that profile pivot switchback strip. So now we have a much more uniform forward firing LED strip that is much brighter than the OEM, and as an added bonus, it is switchback. So when we tap that turn signal wire, it's gonna blink with the turn signal. Sorry, I'm not blinking very consistently. I am just not a turn signal. And here's the other side in case you don't believe in passenger turn signal circuits. I don't know, whatever, it works. You know what, I'm just gonna leave them on constant power because that way you can just see them nice up and close and personal, and it's not me flailing trying to blink a turn signal at a steady rate. But that's all there is to it. This is basically a repair job, an outer shell replacement, and a DRL strip installation. The interiors were already spray painted, so I didn't do anything there. Simple peasy, easy cheesy. It should be mentioned that I attempted to have these PPF'd, but the only way to PPF them is to have a seam along the top, and if you have a seam, that doesn't actually help prevent against the UV damage. It will prevent against the rock chips and debris damage, but what I'm primarily concerned with is UV destruction, so these headlights are gonna have to be clear coated in order to be protected, and he said he had a paint guy who could clear coat them cheaper than me, which is totally a-okay with me, so he's gonna do that on his end. Pricing and product information for this particular build will be in the video description. If you're interested in a build for yourself, by all means reach out via the form on the website. The link to the website will also be in the video description. Thanks for watching this quick video. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. I'll talk to you later. Have yourselves a wonderful day. See ya!